How to change Facebook page name. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook application on your device. After opening up, you need to switch to your Facebook page. After switching, you will be able to see the home page of Facebook page on your mobile device. So in order to change the name, you have to first tap on your profile icon with 3-bar horizontal line in the top right corner. And from over here, you have to go for settings option, which is right next to the search bar in the right upper corner. And you have to go for page settings. After that, you'll be able to see the name option under personal information. You have to simply tap on that. Soon after tapping, you'll be able to see the text box of name over here. But before changing, you need to read the note. It is said that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. It means once you change your name, and you have to wait for changing it for next 60 days. So if you are agree, then you can simply tap on this text box and enter the name that you want to set. And after doing that, you have to go for your change option. And before that, you need to enter your Facebook password to confirm that it's you. So in the text box below, you have to tap and enter your password. And by doing that, you have to go for save changes option. And after that, your page name will be changed. So by following this simple step, you can change Facebook page name. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.